In the last lesson, we went through this left-hand column here, just going over the different tools you can use. This video is just going to be about how to create a watch list, and we'll look at a few other things on TradingView as well. So when you open an account with TradingView, they're going to give you a template watch list with a few stocks in, a few cryptocurrencies and forex currencies. I've just deleted them all just to show you how to add in the assets that you want to look at. So you'll see here, you'll have your watch list here. Click on add, and let's say we want to look at the euro against the dollar. This top one here, I always use this one, so you just click add to watch list, and you want to add in the pound against the dollar, again the top one. And then you go ahead and click on this, and now you're looking at the euro against the dollar chart. Click on that one, you're looking at the pound against the dollar. And you can also create new watch lists. I don't think I can do it here because I just created this account for the purpose of these videos, but I would recommend getting a premium account. I don't think it costs that much. I can't remember how much it cost me. I think it's like 20 quid a month or something. But if you're serious about getting into trading, then you are going to need a premium account, because it'll let you set more alerts, go further back in time to look at previous price history. So that's for when you're doing your back testing. And overall, it's just, you're going to probably need premium. Maybe not at first, but it just makes your life a bit easier. So yeah, what you can do here is you can also add sections in. So if I want to add a section there, I can put forex, and then I want to add in some cryptocurrencies. I use BTC USDT, which is USDT is the stable coin, cryptocurrency stable coin that is pegged to the dollar. So it's a cryptocurrency, but it basically is the same price as what the US dollar is. So when you're purchasing crypto and you send from your bank to a crypto exchange, you'd send it in pounds, and then you convert it to USDT, or you can convert it to whatever cryptocurrency you want, Sol, Ethereum, to then go and buy altcoins. So what I can do here is I can add another section, put crypto, and then you want to add in the S&P 500, which is the indices for the stock market. So add another section there. Just put stocks, but yeah, you get the idea. You can click here and just add in any assets or currencies that you want to look at, and it just makes it a bit neater for you having it like this. So I want to look at crypto here, I want to look at stocks there. So yeah, that's how you create a watch list. If you want to make it full screen, just press that button there. But apart from that, when you're doing back testing, you'll need to use this function here, replay, which will allow you to go back to, in this example, we're just going back to the 24th of May, and then you can press forward here, and it just allows you to see how price played out and test your strategy using this tool. So that's a really good tool as well. Right, let's get onto the time frames. So how do I look at different time frames here? Yeah, so right now we're on the daily chart. So each candle that you're seeing, whether it's a red candle, let's go to Bitcoin. So you can see these red candles are down candles, these green candles are up candles. We're going to do a lesson on candlesticks probably next. So we'll go into candlesticks in more detail. But yeah, here you can see each of these candlesticks represent 1 day of price. You can look at the 12-month chart. So this, this would be 1 year of price action. You can, I don't use yearly charts, if I'm honest. I look at monthly charts, which is where price is now, each candle is representing 1 month of price action. So you can see here, this green candle here was July. Now we're on August, and August hasn't finished, so this candle hasn't closed yet. It's still in the process of closing. But in another course video, I'm going to go through top-down analysis, how I basically look at the charts, how I look at the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and then I go down to the daily. I also use the 12-hour. So the 12-hour chart is probably my main chart that I use. So if I wanted to look at the 12-hour chart, I would need to go onto here, click hours and 12. So now, yeah, again, you're going to need premium to look at this. But as I said, it's an investment at the end of the day. But yeah, basically, this button here shows you all your different time frames. So you got your daily, you've got 4 hour. I use 4 hours sometimes. So this is representing 4 hours of candlesticks. 4 hours. Sorry, each candlestick is representing 4 hours of price. You've got the 1 hour chart. I use the 1 hour chart a lot, especially when I'm trading Forex. I use the most of the time. I use the 12 hour for structure to understand where I think price is going to go. But the 1 hour chart is what I use to take my trades. So with Forex, I use the 1 hour chart and the 5-minute chart as well. So yeah, you can literally go from looking at a month's worth of price action. So you can look at a monthly chart, or you can go right down to, even if you want to, the 1 minute chart. I don't trade the 1 minute chart. It's just not for me. I have more of an edge on the 5-minute chart. That's the lowest that I go, but I do really like the 5-minute for Forex. So yeah, these are your different time frames that you can look at. Indicators. I know I slagged off indicators in one of the videos, saying you don't need all the indicators, but there is one indicator that I use. It is the 4 EMA. I don't know if it's going to come up exactly how I use it, but basically, if you want to add indicators, you would type it in, whichever one you want, and then it'd show up like this on the chart. I have mine a lot different to this. I take certain moving averages out, but again, you don't need to be using loads of indicators. I use one indicator, and it's literally just a confluence. It's just to back up a certain trade idea. My main focus is price action, looking at the charts and how price develops and how it behaves around certain areas that I've got mapped out.